What is up, guys? This is FNH here, and today I am going to be talking about how to get your Amazon account unbanned if it was banned. All right, so this happened to me a while ago while I was making reviews. So I was trying to get. If I have another video on the channel, you guys can watch that where I talk about how you can get free stuff on Amazon from Amazon, basically for to review it. So yes, I was doing that. I was in the process, and then all of a sudden, I noticed that I wasn't able to make any more reviews. Right, so I kept on getting an error when I tried to make a review, and then I noticed that I did some research online, and then I found out that I actually been banned from writing reviews. I was still able to purchase items, I just couldn't review the items anymore. All right, and these items were not so I wasn't breaking anything on their terms and condition where it's like you get items for free for reviewing, you're giving false reviews, stuff like that. I wasn't doing any of that. So yeah, I was generally concerned about why I got banned. So and just trying to get it unbanned was a whole fiasco thing, so it took me a while, a few months, but finally it did. I guess I did get unbanned. All right, and I'm just going to show you the whole process that I went through to get unbanned. All right, so one thing you guys got to notice is there isn't a specific department that you can call to have them resolve this issue. So I did try to do that at first. Obviously, I called them and I was like, "Oh, my account has been falsely banned from reviewing." And I told them, and they're like, "Oh, that's not this department. That's another department." And then I asked to be transferred to that department, and they said they don't basically accept customer service calls. Okay, you would have to email them, I should say. All right, and I believe the Amazon representative that I did talk to also sent them a message about whatever concern I had, right? So that, and then aside from that, I also emailed them as well. Okay, so this is just, I guess, the email conversation that we had. This is the first email I sent. I said I'm not able to leave reviews anymore for items, and my previous reviews have been removed. I'm not sure why, but I am receiving this error. This error message, and this is the specific error message that I was getting. Your previous review of this product did not comply with our customer review guidelines. Amazon does not permit reviews for customers whose relationship to the product or seller may be perceived as biased. So over here it specifically says review for this product did not comply. So it was showing this message even if this was the first time I was reviewing the product. Okay, so it was just every time I would write the review, I would get this message, and then so I couldn't really submit it. Okay, so then I got a email back from Amazon saying we relayed your information to the community team trained to handle this scenario. So I emailed the general Amazon email, right? Let me see if I can find it here. Amazon customer contact us. Let me just log in. So yeah, I guess contact. You can just look at the, I guess, email, right? So yeah, I guess the email is not showing up here, but I can check my email. So yeah, all right, so this was the specific email address that I sent an email to, community-help@amazon.com. Okay, so I sent them a message, basically saying this, right? And then I got a message back from them saying basically this. So they said any customer who has met the purchase requirement is entitled to write a customer review that meets our guidelines. Basically just additional unnecessary stuff that they had to write. Okay, and then a few days later, I got another email saying we determined that you have violated the Amazon community guidelines. As a result, we have suppressed all your reviews and will no longer be able to post them on Amazon. Okay, so basically that was the email I got from them, saying that I violated their terms. They didn't specifically say how or what I did, and I didn't even know what I did. But the thing is, Amazon usually has a bot, right? It's like an automated system which detects fraudulent reviews, right? And somehow it probably what do you call it, falsely detected that mine was basically making false reviews, and so it dinged it, and that's why it automatically suppressed my reviewing rights. Okay, so this message they sent back, and then I sent them another message, right? And then I didn't really hear back. Uh, what do you call it? Yeah, I replied, and then I didn't really hear back from them for like a couple weeks, right? I replied saying, "Oh, what do you call it? Basically, this is incorrect. I didn't violate anything. All the reviews are legit. I wasn't paid to do anything or give any false reviews, right?" And then I didn't really hear back because I guess over here they did specifically say that and we may not reply to further emails about this issue. So they didn't. But I noticed that maybe like a month later, right? A month or around a month or 2 months, I noticed that I was able to review again, right? So yeah, I was technically unbanned, right? So, but the thing is, now when I write reviews, it does take somewhere around like a day or two, yeah, around like a day or two for it to be made public. Okay, so I believe they're like somehow like manually reviewing my reviews. It's making sure it's not paid anymore because I probably on some list, but at least I have my reviewing rights back and I'm able to write reviews. Okay, so if you guys are banned from reviewing, you guys should follow this advice, right? These steps. You can change your message to something more generic or whatever is in your case, but I think this message should work in most cases, right? And just send it to them. You'll get a message, reply to them, and then eventually you'll probably stop hearing back from them, and then you should hopefully have your rights to review back. Okay, so yeah, it's I guess pretty back and forth, conversation. It might take a couple weeks or months, right? So yeah, it just I guess depends on you and how to get your Amazon account back. Well, actually, it depends on Amazon, I should say, not you. But yeah. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys need more specific details on this, you guys can leave it in the comments below. I can help you out with that. For some reason it's not working for you guys, let me know. Maybe there's something else that I can tell you to speed up the process or make it even happen faster, right? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If this worked for you, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.